Hey y'all, I just finished eating the best salad ever. I made it and I just came back from Harris Teeter, which is a grocery store here, and I thought let me do my first real review of food. So this salad, it was a kale salad, and I put cranberries for, like to add color, and I thought that, let me try the Harris Teeter brand called Organics dried cranberries, and I said let me try that. We usually buy Ocean Spray, and this was the first time we actually buy their cranberries. We do buy their other products which they have that are organic, and this was the first time we actually buying cranberries. So we put them in our salad, and of course, oops, sorry.
Cut.
No, don't cut.
Continue. Yep.
Okay, so sorry. So as you know, when you're making food, you end up tasting things, right? While you're cooking, that's what makes you a good cook. But here are the cranberries. Okay, they are regular looking cranberries, but they actually taste really good. And so you can eat them as literally just a snack, or you can mix them with your nuts, or you can add them to your salad, and they really have a very natural taste. The problem with foods that have a lot of like synthetic stuff in them, they tend to have an aftertaste or anything like that. These are absolutely good. I really enjoy them. I usually will not eat cranberries by themselves, but these I'm actually enjoying them. Really, really good. We almost finished the packet for like our salad, but these will be left for snack. But these are really good. You should try them. If you have tried any of Harris Teeter's organics, please go ahead and let me know what you think. But I absolutely love their organics brand, and they also have a lot of other products as well. If you've tried them, let me know, comment below. Thank you for subscribing.